Creek Cask Strength Rye that was barreled in 2009. It's my first impression. The nose is quite good. There's some fruit. It's 119.6 proof, so it's a little bit of the alcohol ester if you get your nose too deep in the glass. Pretty good. A lot of pretty balanced flavor. Not too much spice or heat poking out anywhere. Show you what this looks like. So this is just my first impressions. It's fairly good. I'm not really gonna point out all the flavor notes, but definitely impressed so far. Look forward to see how the bottle develops with a little bit of time. Okay, there's some final thoughts. This is the first night I've drank this whiskey. I was trying to think about other rye whiskeys that I've drank in the past, and if you like the E.H. Taylor small batch rye, I would say that this has an edge over that. There's a little more nuanced flavor and like sweet concentrated stuff going on. I was also kind of thinking of like a younger whiskey, like a Sazerac. This is like almost like a beefed up version of that. No like staticky stuff. The flavor is pretty centered. There's a little spice on the back end. Very good stuff. For the money, you're getting a very solid bottle right here. It's a little more than your standard bourbon or rye, but the flavor is very concentrated. It's cask strength. It's not aggressively spicy. There is some heat. pretty good sweetness. Yeah, I like it. It's good stuff.